How to compress video on phone without losing quality. So there are a couple of ways to do this. Like you can try use the online compressors. So if you go to a browser, on your browser, type in Clideo. So type in Clideo, C-L-I-D-E-O, Clideo. So you can open up Clideo, go to their website, and this is an online compressor tool. So select compress, and then when you click on compress here, all you have to do is simply choose your file. So hit on that plus icon and then choose your file. So go to your file, just locate it, whatever video or photo that you want to compress. You can just open it up. So for example here, I'll just use it. So this will, you need to upload this video and then compress it. So once this finish uploading, we're going to compress this. So once uploaded here, you can choose the compression option. So you can go for, as you can see, you have the basic, strong, and superb. The superb is a paid one. So you can either go for a basic or a strong compression. So they will try to, each of these categories will try to retain the quality as much as possible. So you can say probably you can go for the basic one. I will just put basic because it's medium file size and high quality. So what I'm going to do, this is the original size and this is the expected size. So you can see the differences here, and then what you have to do is simply hit on compress, and that will do the compression for you. And once it's been compressed, then you can save this video on your device, and that's pretty much it is. So now the video has been compressed by 86%. So I can simply download this. If I want to download it, I can simply hit on download, and then it has started to download on my device. And that's one way of doing it. You can also, apart from this, try to use compressing apps. Like for example, on your Play Store or Google Store, you can look for UCut, search for UCut. So you can use this UCut editor. You just install it, and then you can use this editor to compress your files as well. So if you open up UCut, and then all you have to do is click on add new project. So upload your file that you want to compress. So upload it. So once you've uploaded, all you have to do is hit on save. When you click on save here, you can choose the quality and the resolution here. So what you can do, you can simply select a high quality and then reduce the resolution a bit. Okay, so when you when you reduce the resolution, that will reduce the file size, while the quality you can leave it as high, and then all you have to do is hit on save, and that will save your video, the compressed version. So that's pretty much it is. So these are a couple of ways how you can compress your video while maintaining the high quality. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.